I'm a partner with ARRK. I'm also the Civil Design Department Manager.
My role is Senior Electrical Designer.
I work for ARRK Engineering as a Senior Piping Designer.
I work for ARRK Engineering as a Junior Civil Designer. I work with engineers and other designers and technologists to create designs that meet the needs of our clients. And then also we take those designs and then we translate them into engineering drawings.
Our business is engineering, and our primary deliverable are drawings. EDT grads are critical to the development of those drawings.
Students in engineering design technology will learn a variety of topics, including machine design, infrastructure design, mapping and surveying, structural, both in steel and concrete, and that applies to industry in that they will have a fundamental understanding of the projects they're working on, and they can create those high-quality engineered drawings to complete that work.
My experience at NAIT has been really great because I really enjoy learning a concept and then having time to practice it. And we're always working around peers, around instructors, working on those concepts in class, and very hands-on and problem-solving focused.
You'll come out of this with a lot of really valuable skills and knowledge.
EDT grads, when they come into work for us, immediately they can hit the ground running. They have the skills that are required in order to become productive right away.
What we really like out of the EDT grads is they have a very broad knowledge base as far as covering different disciplines.
We look primarily at NAIT and the Engineering Design Technology program for the grads that they produce.
So after graduation, students from the EDT program can find themselves in a variety of roles in all types of engineering.
I would absolutely recommend engineering design technology.
For me, it's been a great decision.